Looking for the fuse box in your 2012 to 2015 Honda Civic? In this guide, we'll show you its exact location and explain the fuse box diagram so you can quickly identify the right fuse for each system. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2012 and 2013 Honda Civic contains fuses that control interior electrical components, such as the power windows, door locks, interior lights, and audio system. It uses a combination of standard blade fuses and microfuses, all color-coded by amperage and clearly labeled for easy identification. The fuse box also includes a built-in fuse puller and spare fuses, making replacements quick and convenient. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2014 and 2015 Honda Civic controls interior systems such as lighting, power accessories, and the infotainment system. It uses low-profile mini fuses with clearly labeled circuits for easy identification, and some versions also include integrated relays to support additional functions. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2012 and 2013 Honda Civic protects major electrical systems such as the engine control unit, cooling fans, ABS, and headlights. It contains high amperage fuses and relays designed for critical components, with a clearly labeled layout for quick diagnostics. Its durable construction ensures reliable performance even under high heat conditions. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2014 and 2015 Honda Civic powers critical systems such as the ECU, ABS, and headlights using high amperage fuses and relays. It features a compact, heat-resistant design with clearly labeled components, making maintenance and troubleshooting easier. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.